Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to apply gemstones on Hypixel SkyBlock. Firstly, go to Dwarven Mines and reach Heart of the Mountain Tier 3. Then enter the Crystal Hollows by paying 6,000 coins at the gate near the entrance of the Dwarven Mines. You can obtain gemstones by mining them in the Crystal Hollows, buying from the bazaar, and killing mobs that drops gemstones. Gemstones comes with different types like ruby, amber, topaz, jasper, sapphire, amethyst or jade. Use the Gemstone Grinder at Jayo. You can upgrade gemstones from rough, flawed, fine, flawless or perfect. Refining takes time unless purchased already refined. Only specific items can have gemstones applied. These include some pickaxes, certain armor sets or some accessories. The type of slots are universal, power, defense or minion speed. Now, go to Jayo, open the Gemstone Grinder, place your item in the slot and insert the correct type of gemstone into the corresponding socket, then click Apply. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.